Hey guys, welcome to this video where we are going to go through how to open a Seller Central account on Amazon step by step in less than 10 minutes. So first things first, you need to go to Google and search sell on Amazon. And whether you are in UK and you would like to sell in UK and in all Europe, you need to go into sell.amazon.co.uk. Whereas if you're in the US, you'll have to go into sell.amazon.com. Okay. Once you've done that, you will be taken to this page, which is the sign up page. It will cost you $39.99 per month to sell in US and £25 plus VAT in the UK and Europe. Because when you are going to sign up in the UK, you're automatically going to get access to the biggest marketplaces in Europe as well. But don't worry, after the first setup fee, if you haven't got active listings yet, you are not going to be charged again. And once you are selling these subscription fees, it gets taken away directly from your disbursement. So you're never gonna see that coming out of your bank. The next screen where you are going to go is the one where you'll have to click on create your Amazon account, okay? And it will take you to a page where you will need a few things to get started. Basically, you will need a valid government issued ID or passport. You will need a recent bank account or a credit card statement and a chargeable credit card. Obviously your mobile phone with a front-facing camera so that they can then verify you via a call that lasts usually 5 minutes. So basically you're gonna go to provide your information and documentation at first in 5 different steps. Then Amazon will verify that information throughout a call, and then once you're verified, you're gonna be an Amazon seller. So let's go through the 5 steps that you need to go through in order to become an Amazon seller. The 5 steps are business information, seller information, billing, store, and verification. So the first one is the business information. Simply put, the location of your business and what is your business type. So if you are a privately owned business, you're gonna click on privately owned business, okay? But if you haven't got a company yet, or you don't have a VAT number yet, don't worry, because you can simply select sole proprietor or even individual. So once you have done that, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to be putting the business information, business location. If you selected privately owned business, you're going to have to upload the documentation that is necessary to match the details that you are putting in here. If you are an individual, please put the details of where your credit card billment comes from, because that will be the same address that will appear when you go through the verification, and you will avoid any kind of delays, because the documents of where your company is registered, whether it's a privately owned company, an LTD, or if you're an individual and you're starting your business from home, make sure that the billing details of your business in both cases matches with the utility bills that you've got. So if you have got a credit card that is linked to your business, make sure that the address of that credit card, it's the same where the business is registered. And likewise, if you are an individual, make sure that the credit card is registered to your home in this case, maybe or the prep center that you're using, and matches the details on your utility bills or credit card, okay? Obviously credit card cannot be your prep center, it'll have to be your home. So basically what I'm trying to say is make sure that things match, because it's gonna make it easier throughout the presentation, throughout the verification process. And then follow the prompts, complete all the request details, and complete your business information step. The next step is going to be the seller information. And again, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just fill the details. Make sure to have your passport or driving license ready, because you have to put all that information in there. And after that, once you finished, click the next to continue to the next step. So once you have confirmed the primary person, you have put that you are the beneficial owner of the business, just tick on the box right there and confirm the details. At that point, click on the next button, which will take you to step number 3, which is the billing information. Again, self-explanatory. You need to put your credit card number, your details, and the billing address. Okay, and then at that point you'll click on the next button on the bottom right of your screen, which will take you to step number 4, which is the store and the product information. Store name, it can be changed at any time, so just put anything in there, maybe something that is close to the niche of the products that you are selling, or maybe just your company name or any name in that can be then you know, that if you don't like in future can change. Where it tells you to, do you have universal product codes for all products? Yes, put yes in there, because all the products you will be selling, whether they are going to be private label or they're going to be from wholesalers, they will all have a UPC code. And under the 2 questions, are you the manufacturer or the brand owner, or do you own government registered trademark? Don't worry too much about that, just put some of them, it's fine. Even if you don't have any yet, because in future you might want to launch your own brand and you will have some trademarks. So just put some of them on both of them and click next. And then the last step, the verification. In here, basically, you're gonna give all the business information that you put so far. You're gonna fill all those details. Some of these will be pre-populated. And what you'll have to do is upload either the driving license or the passport in here, up front side and the upload back side. Proof of address, whatever you choose in here, it's gonna be a bank statement or a utility bill. Just select what it is and upload it. And once you have done all the necessary once you have uploaded all the necessary documentation, you will be taken to the next step, which is a phone call. But don't worry, it's a very fast phone call where they're gonna ask you to basically put your ID under your chin or next to your face, and they're gonna make you show it and basically verify that the person that is putting all this information is actually you, okay? And congratulations, you are done now. You are now an Amazon seller, because within 2 or 3 days they are going to confirm that your account is active and you will be able to start selling, providing that you have made sure that everything matches. Okay, that is the only thing that could kind of complicate things and make it last longer. Otherwise, if you have done everything correctly, you are going to be verified and you're going to be an Amazon seller. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about Amazon, just follow my YouTube channel and all the other videos that I made for you. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.